So basically we had the robot, we had to program this robot. It has a specific task to complete. It is a very simple task. It has to do the run of a certain map made from like 4 levels. It was easy for me and my colleagues to finish it in like 30 minutes maximum. It was a very good experience and I actually enjoyed doing this. The instructors were supportive and this actually made us very happy.
I really thought to myself that it was pretty easy because I was like, it's kind of obvious how to do it, how to go towards this goal. For each station, I felt that it was easier than before because we got used to the program, to the robot. And when we reached the final station, I was pretty happy about myself because we did it in not a lot of time, so yeah.
I had the opportunity to participate in a workshop that helps me build in robotics and experience a new type of engineering. Most of the tasks were simple but surely challenging. I was able to do them with my friends.